It is time to open not one, but two sketch boxes because I've just been so busy, and one of them arrived way later in the month, so I didn't get a chance to make the video, and then the other one arrived pretty early in the month, so they arrived pretty close together. So I'm gonna open both of them and see what's inside and do some sketching. Oh, this is a 2mm lead holder, cool. Graphite pocket set, mixed media pieces of paper, liquid pencil, interesting. Brush, this says it's called like a dagger. I've actually used this before. I think it's water soluble as well, which is cool. An eraser, oh my gosh. Why does it look like that? Oh, it's a kneaded eraser, that's why it looks like that. Now time to see what's in this one. I haven't actually opened the tape. Oh, it's a watercolor block with cold pressed paper. That's actually really cool. I've never had like a block before. Ooh, Faber-Castell multi-liners. It's always good to get. Oh, there's sepia. That's actually really cool. Oh my gosh. Hey, there's a Copic in here. Copic. Some more pencils. What is this? Walnut drawing ink. Very interesting. A Tombow liner and another cool brush. I love getting brushes in these because it gives you like a good quality brush every time, and it kind of helps build up my brush collection. Inside of here. Oh, it's like a graphite kit. Oh, it comes with lead. Awesome. I love 2mm lead. It's pretty fun to sketch with. These are the artists. That's pretty cool looking. I like the sepia tones. Oh, it's the same artist both times. Okay, I already tested some of the sepia pens, but I'm gonna test some more. They're more of a desaturated brown than I thought, which is actually nice because sometimes I find sepia toned pens are too like orange in a way sometimes. Oh, it's actually kind of dry. Alcohol-based ink. Everything else here is like water-based. It's definitely interesting. I don't know how much I would use an art supply like this. It's like it's like a liquid pencil. I don't know. It seems kind of. They do look cool though. They're like almost. Oh my gosh. They're like almost granulating. It's just another pencil. I mean, I don't know how this is much different from other pencils I've tried. It's just the whole thing is a pencil, I guess. I'm not a huge fan of like the graphite blocks, but there's a lot in this box. Pencil. Harder, yeah. Like, I mostly use stuff like this in life drawing, these like blocks. This would actually be kind of cool. I'll probably save that for any future life drawing I do. To be honest, I don't really use it in sketchbooks or illustration. And also this, I like this for life drawing. Then the walnut ink. Oh, we also have these. Oh, there's like so much to work with here. Doing 2 boxes is a lot. Where am I going to use that? Are these charcoal? Oh my gosh. So messy. These are like chalk pencils, I think. So I actually drew this a few days ago, but I think it would be fun to use these supplies to kind of like finish the sketch and add more to it and make this like a woodland weird creature animal page thing. I think that could be fun. I could put some tape on it and it could just be a fun little page in my sketchbook because I haven't really done much lately. I don't really do a lot of ink stuff unless it's Inktober. It's actually kind of coming up, isn't it? Like 2 more months basically till Inktober. Probably won't be doing it this year. This is sort of like a ferret squirrel thing. I'm not exactly sure. Like a possum ferret squirrel thing. Oh no, I'm bending the nib too much. I'm too heavy-handed for this material. It's more fragile than I thought. My hand really hurts though from just all the drawing I'm doing lately. When you're doing like a project, it's hard to do other things because like you're like, how do I draw normally? I'm so invested in this project I'm doing and all this other stuff. I don't know how to just like sketch random stuff anymore. Okay, I have a lot of tools to choose from here. Just to really darken some. A bit of that walnut ink could be good as well. Even though this paper is not meant for ink, I'm still gonna do it because I don't care. Trying to make the colors work because it's very different from the gray that I put on like a few weeks ago when I did this sketch. Like that's not really dark enough to be a good backdrop, so I don't really know what to do. Draw something else here with this gray backdrop. I think it'd be cool to do a chipmunk with this. Because chipmunks have a lot of like blacks and browns on their fur. So I drew some acorns to kind of go with this little like foresty, naturey, natural theme. I'm actually really glad I have these sepia pens now. Now I want to draw a chipmunk here. I always found chipmunks a little bit difficult to draw. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm kind of changing this one up anyway, but... The end of her tail kind of goes a bit gray, so I'm switching to black. I want to add a little bit of the yellowy graphite. This is making me kind of miss markers, even though I know I don't really like markers. These little wood pieces are just like little decorative elements, I guess? I don't really know. Thought they just kind of help tie stuff together. Bird wings are so hard to draw. They're like so hard to draw. I usually just like suggest it. Like I'm not totally sure of how all the feathers overlap and stuff. So hard to get even coverage with the liquid pencil. So it was really fun just using like sepia colors for all of it, and these like muted, the pinkish Copic and the greenish pencil. I'm not a huge fan of the liquid pencil. I just don't really think it's something I'll be using. I didn't really use the pencils either. They're just like too chalky for me. I'm just not a fan of that kind of art supply. But I really liked the sepia liners and the black liner, and the brushes were like pretty standard. It's what you'd expect. But I had a lot of fun doing this little sketchbook page. I haven't filmed a lot of sketchbook videos lately, so I'm glad I got the chance to do one. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.